Okay, so we've been working with J&C for just over 3 years now, and we have a fantastic music teacher called Jason who works 2 days a week at St Stephen's. He leads music lessons for early years right up to year 6, full national curriculum coverage with the things that he does, from making music, notation, singing, but also he leads our singing assembly on a Tuesday, and that has become the highlight of the week. So I have staff fighting to be in the assembly. He just has the ability to take a group of children, to teach them something new, to make it very exciting. And actually, you know, people from outside have said to me, "Where's your music teacher from? He's amazing. If I sign up with J&C, will we get Jason?" I have to say, well, hopefully not, because he's mine. But yeah, he's been absolutely great, and we wouldn't be without him.